B-roll, phone showing income notifications in a dark room. 7 automations are printing passive income right now. The most powerful one costs $6 a month. B-roll, automation workflow dashboards cycling. No dropshipping, no crypto, real software that pays you while you sleep. B-roll, NA10 canvas with nodes connecting in real time. Number 1, NA10, $6 VPS, connects 400 apps. Google Sheets, OpenAI, Gmail, no code. Freelancers are billing $3 to $1,500 monthly per client. That one server runs all of it. But NA10 is not the top earner on this list. B-roll, comparison table animating row by row. GoHighLevel at $297. Resell sub-accounts at $300 each. 20 clients equals 6,000 monthly recurring. Beehive autoplaces sponsors at 1,000 subscribers. Make.com, 10,000 operations for $9. 5 times what Zapier gives at 20. Which of these are you already running? B-roll, pricing cards side by side on screen. Here's what nobody tells you about these tools. The pricing gap is wild. NA10, $6 self-hosted. Make, 9. GoHighLevel, $297. You bill clients back more than that. Zapier at 20, drop it. B-roll, revenue dashboard with rising MRR numbers. Highest ceiling, GoHighLevel, 6,000 monthly at 20 clients. Best ROI for technical freelancers. NT10 at $6. Most passive once built, Beehive. Warning, instantly and relevance. AI need active daily management, not truly passive. What is your passive income target for 2026? Drop it in the comments. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.